Dr. George Turner, a dean at the Atlantic University School of Medicine at Rodney Bay, is encouraging locals who have the desire and aptitude to pursue studies in medicine to do so locally. Turner says it also presents a unique opportunity to visit the local school and to learn more about the courses of study and perhaps have an evaluation done.
We are very successful in training students to do medicine in the United States. Most of our students, though, are non-native people. I have associated with a large number of local students and have found them to be exceptional students. So I'm not quite sure that many people in St. Lucia are aware that they have this opportunity, and it would be a wonderful opportunity to give St. Lucians something to do so that would be productive, health profession, bring some intellectual property back to St. Lucia. So I would like to have the opportunity to give some St. Lucian students the availability of becoming a doctor, having a medical career, giving back some of the intellectual property we are teaching in St. Lucia and allowing the community to benefit from what we have here as a resource.
It's very popular to start a career overseas, Dr. Turner says, but it's also very expensive.
It is very expensive to go overseas to do a medical profession, maybe not so in Cuba. Most people who come to our university want to practice in the United States, and our program is designed to train you to practice in the United States. But our program is much more financially reasonable than anything else that will be available. So the benefits to someone who is local, they could stay local, they could live at home and cut costs. The cost of the education is much, much lower than going overseas. And the quality of the education is indistinguishable from what you would get overseas. So the resource is here, it's cost effective, and it is a very, very, very good resource.
Dr. Turner says the Atlantic University courses are so structured that students who still wish to do so can complete their studies in the U.S.
In our program, the first 2 years of the medical program are in St. Lucia. For the third and fourth years, you're doing clinical studies, and we take every one of our students and successfully get them visas and get them entered into teaching hospitals in the United States. Most of the students who come to a Caribbean medical school have designs on actually practicing in the United States, and our programs are designed to have you be qualified and competitive with anybody who wants to train and practice in the United States. We will get you to the United States, we will get you a visa, and you will get the experience of clinical teaching and clinical training in the United States.
The Atlantic University School of Medicine is situated along the highway adjacent to the Rodney Bay Marina. It is one of several medical schools which have established roots on the island. For the DBS News World, I am Alex Bousquet.